camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna record
You
this.
ain't damn lying.
Oh, can I take this thing off this phone?
Too good.
Throw that in there.
Selling your crack.
Shit. You want some? I got it all.
Oh, shit.
Terrell is scared to get down there.
She won't wait. She gotta wait. Hey, man. He said no skiing on the pole, man. On the pole.
That means Terrell gotta get on the ground. Start cheating. Oh.
That's what I'm telling her, wait. Yeah.
Terrell is cheating my child because he got that.
Your child.
No, Terrell is cheating my child. He got because he got that. Huh? Oh.
She can't. I can't.
Terrell got that big old gun, and my child got the little small gun. He just cheating. He is not right.
Why you might not two big guns?
Oh, I ain't have no two big gun, man. Shit.
I gotta go back and get my stuff. I gotta get
Yeah, shit, that damn thing was
I'm going to get me one. Bad pet.
Peach, you left my one down.
Peach, you can't spread
Hey, shit. Hold on. Keep on.
He's scared. He's scared of her.
Let me finish him.
Oh.
I just told Peach, I said, hold on. When I say go, we're going to go.
Girl, you better suck it out here all the time.
Look, she steady.
You didn't.
She steady trying.
Thing wasn't dead until Terrell put down speakers.
Oh.
What you thought, Sean? That thing was on.
Yeah, but
I need to hurry up.
You ready, ain't you?
let me shoot. She can't shoot my damn hair.
Shit, what she going to
Yeah, I'm gonna bust her ass.
She just getting biggest ever.
Get me off that damn shit. Put me on a motherfucking Facebook.
Hey, man, go on, man. Don't even start that shit again.
$1.25.
There you go again. Look.
My phone don't go on Facebook.
Look. I have people at work that's friends with me on Facebook.
Wait. Don't do nothing that don't do nothing gonna outside your job. Cause I pay $45 every month for this phone.
Come on, let me show you the rules.
I ain't nothing on that guy.
Let me get that card.
I know.
Damn right. You saying? Go. Uh-oh.
Oh, baby, your little thing ain't even shooting all the way where he at.
Hey.
You really gonna lose. I want you to know that because he is cheating you.
Come on. Come on.
That's not right, Terrell. You ain't even giving her a chance. Peaches, you got no win. Oh, he just soaked you real good, this girl. So the more he pump, the more he can shoot out or something.
Look at her. She already so wet. Look at her.
It probably feel good though. Terrell, you ain't right. Nah, Terrell, that's not right.
Look at this aesthetic going in.
Shake it, no shake it.
She was still going that way. He's back over here.
Hold on.
She said, hold on now, Terrell, you cheat. Because she did say, hold on. He got to go fill it up.
You better go fill it. You better go fill it the other one.